How to see hidden mentions on Instagram story. Hello everyone, welcome to this channel. I'm Emily and I'm here to help you out today. So without any delay, let's get started. So first of all, launch the Instagram application on your device and make sure you are logged into your account. As you are logged into your account, what you can simply do is tap on any of the stories. So as you can see here, you can see the mentions over here. You can see who people are tagged, the mentions over here on the story. So that is generally done by mentioning their name over here and it can be seen. But a lot of times when there are times when people do not show who they have mentioned, they tend to keep the mentioned name at the bottom of the story over here. So if people tag someone on the specific stories, they can move them all the way to the bottom where you can't really see them essentially. So there's no way to just see a list of everybody that has been tagged or mentioned in a story. So if they purposely hit it, you'll have to just try to tap around towards the bottom over here and see if you kind of tap around to the bottom, and potentially it will get you to a point where it does tap on somebody's name. So there's no essential way to see the list. You'll have to try and find a way where there might be a silver of that mention and you'll have to tap on it. Then you can go to the specific profile, and I hope this helps you out. So thank you so much for watching this video. See you next time.